Okay, what's going on, guys? VP Roofing here. We're going to be doing a repairability test for Brooke O'Brien. I'm gonna try to be as careful as possible to not cause any creases or to not cause any damage. So let's get started. I'm going to be taking this one out and to be able to do a repair test, and I'll just put it back on. Let's put on gloves first because it's pretty hot outside. It's pretty hot outside and we don't want to get burned. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna take off the tar strip that's glued down to here as well as right here. So let's try to be careful not to damage the shingle. Let's take out all the nails. As you can see, I'm being careful. Let's take out all the nails so that we're able to take out the shingle. You can see that this shingle is coming apart just by me lifting it up to be able to take out the nail. Let's take out all the nails. You can see that I barely lifted this up and it just fell apart, meaning you're not able to repair this roof just because the shingle above where I'm taking apart is damaged. As you can see, I'm barely lifting it up. I'm being really gentle doing this repair test. Let's take out this one. You can see I'm being really careful and it just fell apart. As you can see, that's really bad. Okay, took out all the nails. So now as you can see, I tried pulling the shingle out and it just came apart. Let's pull so we're not able to replace this. As you can see, being really careful. Let's take out all the nails. Yeah, that should be all the nails actually. This one right here. Okay. So now we gotta put this back on, obviously. Which is kind of weird because it's like a little puzzle. Kind of confused myself. Maybe let's put it on the keyway. As you can see, it's on the keyway. Okay, it's on the keyway. Let's see how did this one go. It goes underneath. You see, you're not able to do a proper repair just because the shingle is falling apart and you're not really able to do this. Let's put 6 to 7 nails, lifting the shingle up to be able to nail it down. Just 1. As you can see, I'm lifting it up, a little slight crease. Just 3, 4. What's the better one? Let's put one more. Okay. Let's put this one back on. Okay, this one's kind of weird. Okay. This goes like this. Okay. Now we're gonna be nailing this down as well, since as you can see there's no nails and we need to put nails. Let's put nails in every hole that there is. As you can see, I lifted this shingle up to be able to nail this down, and there's a crease, as you can see. Slight crease. but no. Let's just leave that one there. We don't want to cause more damage to the shingle than it already is. Put one more right here. As you can see, a little slight crease right here lifting this up. And as you can see, I caused damage. Little creases, but I did damage the shingle. It came apart, so I had to put it back on. But you're not able to do proper repair just for the fact that it just came apart. You're not able to reuse the shingle no more, you know, so it's not repairable.